Hi guys, Steph here. Okie doke, what we got for you? I'll tell you what we've got. We've got a beautiful, this is the Croxley pen, a Dickinson product. A Croxley pen, you may ask. Yes, a very, very much underrated fountain pen, in my opinion. A superb quality fountain pen from the 1940s. Now, the Dickinson product, John Dickinson in the early 1800s started off as a stationer, and then later on in the years got involved with making paper. So some of you may remember the Croxley paper, and they may actually still be going now, but under a different guise or a different name. But yeah, they started off predominantly as a paper maker. But these pens here, whether they actually made them in-house or whether somebody else made them for them, I do not know. Some people thought that they made maybe by Delarue. Somebody even mentioned Conway Stewart. Either way, whoever made them, they made a quality fountain pen. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around 129mm capped. Around the barrel, a lovely 12mm in diameter. Let's show you the barrel imprints. So we've got the first barrel imprint there, and it reads the Croxley pen, a Dickinson product. Okay, now if we turn it round slightly, I think there it is, you can see it says made in Great Britain. Okay, so all in all, the Croxley pen, a lot of people may have not heard about them. They are becoming much more collectible nowadays, and as I say, I can't stress enough, beautiful quality made pens. They came in numerous colours. I've actually shown you a black one, I've shown you a blue marbled one, I've shown you a brown gold marbled Dickinson or Croxley pen, and I've also shown you a mauve model, but I don't believe I've ever shown you the green marbled one. So here we have it. What I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the end, you can go and have a look at them if you wish. But as I say, beautiful pens. Now let's show you the lever, and as you can see, it's got quite a narrow long lever with this sort of chevron pattern to the end of the lever, which is rather different but very classy, I think. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's just got a single, quite a thin cap band there. And then if we take you to the clip there, you can see the chevron design carries on top of the clip there. There's a sideways view, and both the clip and the lever, if I can show you sort of lengthwise, have this sort of triangular design. But all in all, again, stunning quality pens. To the top we've got this black sort of slightly peaked cap stud, which sort of complements the end of the barrel there. You can see slightly peaked. Stunning pen. It's been fully restored by me. It's ready to go. Somebody will enjoy it for many years to come. Let's take the cap off, show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I say, I can't stress enough, these, if you like, are actually, they're not my favourite pens, but they are one of my favourite pens because they're underrated. Who's Dickinson products? What is the Croxley pen? Well, that's this. They are superb pens. Let's show you the section there. Okay, slight taper towards the nib, little ridge towards the nib, and then if we show you the nib, okay, there you go. Even the nib reads, I think it's a Dickinson product, 14 karat gold, whatever, but a lovely size nib in proportion to the pen. There's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed. We've got quite a standard sort of ladder feed from the period. As you can see, everything is lovely and clean. A lovely, comfortable, chunky pen. Very comfortable even in my large hands. Now, because we're going to try and find a home, I'm not going to ink it, although I've put a new sack in it. So let's do a dip test. Let's see how the pen writes. So what we have, we've got the Croxley pen, and as we said, it's a Dickinson product, and the pen was made in the 1940s. I'm sort of giggling away to myself because it's actually a lovely writer. Does it have any flex? Well, from that, I would say yes, it does. So there's a writing sample. Lovely writer, lovely and smooth, as you'd expect from a quality made pen. But as you can see, we're getting a lovely variation in line, and it's a lovely smooth writer. Lovely. So let's pop the cap. In fact, before we put the cap back on, we'll give it a clean after the video and get it ready for a new owner. So there we have it. If you can get your hands on one of these, get one. Okay, they are superb everyday writers. They are quality made pens, as good, if not better, than a lot of the other major manufacturers of that period. Example, Conway Stewart, Swans, Watermans, etc. They are stunning, well made pens, and as you can see, this one in this gorgeous green marbling is in lovely condition. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. And don't forget, people out there, we've still got a slight problem. Things are getting a little bit better, hopefully. So please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.